Okay, we are going to design this, we are going to set up this template in the HubSpot from the PSD file. So let's start it. Here's the PSD file. We will crop the images separately to use in the HubSpot template, like slicing. So we are exporting the header file separately, and now this background image, and here it is. Save for web, save it. Okay, and now this cd and the footer. Okay, we are all set. Okay, now we'll go to content and design manager, and now create a new template. Select page layout and hit create. Okay, now give it a name and select an appropriate path to save its files. I'd say newsletter template for Computan. Okay, let's save. It's done. Okay, here we have the default modules, and we'll remove the modules that we don't need, and we'll add as we need, and we will adjust them according to that PSD we saw in the beginning. Okay, and okay, we'll take this text module, we will set it as header, edit option. We'll remove this, and here we will insert the image we exported for from the PSD file. Okay, select the location where you want to upload it, select the image, upload. Okay, use image, adjust the sizing or styling, like width, how much wide you want it. Okay, that's okay, 100%. Save. Okay, now we have the image ready. We'll name this module as header, just to make everything managed. Okay, preview. Okay, here we have the image, but we don't have the border around, just like the PSD file. Here there's a grayish background around the page. We'll add it now. All we have to do is to add some CSS option. Hit this gear icon and select the fourth option, edit CSS. Here you can add class, or you can add inline styling or custom wrapping HTML, which is really advanced. Okay, we will add our required CSS in the custom inline styling. It's done. Now let's preview it again. Okay, now we have that border. Alright, now we'll add the text module with center aligned text and a heading and a paragraph. Delete this module, we don't need that. And we will add a text module here. Okay, and edit options or edit CSS. We'll add styling first here. And now we'll edit option to add some text like the PSD template. Okay, let's save. Yeah, we can simply add the text here and select this text as the h1, h2, and this lorem ipsum text as a paragraph. It's optional, you can do like that, or simply we can switch to the source code, which is the toggle button here. Applying source code is a little advanced technique, so you can do what's suitable for you, what you feel easy. Okay, action, save, let's preview it. Okay, we have the title area and the text area just like the template, center aligned, has the border around the edges. Okay, yeah, just like that. Okay, we will remove the extra modules, delete it, and well, that was a separator, and here we need another module below here. Okay, actually we want it in the same line, we don't want to split it. Let's delete it, and now add module below. No, just delete it. Okay, now we have the single module here, and we'll add an image module. We can simply adjust the width of the module just by drag and drop, as we're doing here. Okay, we'll add the styling like the background image, borders, padding, etc, etc. It's done. Action, save, preview. Okay, here we have the background image. Okay, and the text on the left side and the image module on the right side. We can also use the text module to add the image. It has some advantages, we'll talk about it later. Okay, we can swap it, or we can simply delete and add a module just on the right side like this, and adjust the weight of both modules. Okay, first we will edit the text module. We're directly applying the source code. It's the simple HTML with some styling. Okay, and here for the image, in the PSD file, in that PSD file, that right area was an image module, so we are using a text module for the image. Actually, when we want to use a text module, it has some advantages, like today we create this template with an image module here, but after maybe a few months we decide to swap these modules, these options, like we would like to change the image module to the left area and the text module to the right area. So if we add the image module right here, in the future all the landing pages where this template is applied will be disturbed just by swapping these modules. But if we add the text module, we can obviously add image or text anytime with no issue. Okay, yeah, it's much better there. It's cool. Okay, now we'll add a CTA, just like here. Download our new ebook. We have already created the CTA, and now we will insert below that paragraph. Okay, where is the CTA? It's call to action, here it is, and we will put it under the text module. Edit, select CTA, and here it is. Just select it and insert CTA. Okay, we cannot apply styling directly here, but obviously we can edit CSS here, from that gear icon. Edit CSS, we'll align it center, save. Okay, now let's preview it. Yeah, it's perfect. It's just like the PSD. Okay, now we're moving forward, and okay, let me, below here we're going to use an area like the feed from our latest posts. We'll add module split, and okay, it's nice, it's cool. Rich text, full width rich text module under the, okay, and call to actions. Actually we don't need it here, we need call to action here. We'll simply, okay, yeah, we need another one here, split, or okay, for the call to action there is another call to action. We are grouping all of these these modules, so we can apply the background or the border styling at one place. Okay, it's selected. Now create group. Now it's a group. We apply this styling. Okay, add your styling. Hit save. Now, yeah, the heading, custom styling, and now we'll add some text here, just like the PSD. Here's the heading from the blog. Okay, it's nice, just like the PSD. Okay, now we will edit some CSS in these modules, like center alignment, just like the PSD file. Okay, edit option, we will select our images here. Here we have images. We can adjust the sizing, the thumbnail size, and we can even same with this one. Add image, adjust the sizing. It's done. Okay, now we'll add the text under the images modules. Okay, and same with this one. Edit CSS, and done. Okay, now add some content, source code, paste. It's done. Okay, same with this one. Edit options, just paste it and save. Yeah, now we will select the CTA for this area. Read more, CTA. Yeah, edit option, select CTA and select your required CTA. Hit save. Okay, we will align these to center, text dash align center. Okay, we will copy it from here and paste it here as well. It's done. Okay, not sure if we need this module. Okay, we can use it for our horizontal line. Let's preview it. Okay, this is not appropriate. It's the space, there's some spacing issue. We can add some styling like padding, margin, or even we can use some line breaks before that HR tag. We'll simply edit this module, edit options, go to source code and page a few line breaks. Yeah, okay, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks perfect. It looks perfect. Okay, now the footer. Yeah, we don't need this footer. We'll add a text module here, as we just need a CTA. We can create a new CTA and use that image as a CTA, but here we need we just following the template, so we can use the text module to add the image. As we mentioned earlier, the advantages of text modules instead of the using of text modules instead of using the image modules. So we will insert our image here. We'll simply switch, okay, CTA, and now we'll toggle the source code. We'll paste our code here and hit save. Okay, I think we are all set now. Let's review it. Okay. Oh, we missed one thing. We missed the border area for the footer. Okay, let's do that. Move back to layout and edit CSS, apply styling, let's save. Now it's all set. Okay, yeah, it's done. That's all, folks. It's just like the PSD. That's all. Yeah, in the template, in the PS template here, we're using the placeholders for the images, but in the template we use that some images. That's not a big deal. We can change those images anytime we want, but this area is going to be the image area, so we don't need the text module here. Okay, so move forward. Okay,